happens when you forget English? In front of your CEO? Let's find out.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ben and Emma.
I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here with us again today.
And I'm Ben, and Emma, I had a disaster.
A disaster? Ben, what happened? Are you okay?
No, it was a career disaster.
Oh no, did you get fired?
Worse. The new CEO thinks I'm an idiot.
What? Why?
He was in the elevator with me.
Alone?
Yes, just me and him for 30 seconds.
Oh, the elevator pitch.
It was an elevator disaster. He smiled and said, "Hi, I'm Dave, the new CEO. What did you do last weekend?" And my brain just exploded.
You mean went blank?
Completely. I forgot English. I forgot my name. I just smiled like a penguin.
Penguin?
Yes, frozen but sweating.
Ben, this isn't a disaster. This is a diagnosis.
A diagnosis?
Yes, the my mind goes blank disease.
Can it be cured?
Absolutely. With laughter and grammar.
Oh, no. Grammar again.
Don't worry, we're not going to study grammar. We're going to survive grammar.
That sounds worse.
No, it'll be fun, I promise. Let's go back into the elevator.
No, not the elevator.
Yes, you're ready. The doors close. Hi, I'm Dave. What did you do last weekend?
I go to the cinema.
You go every weekend?
No, last weekend I goed.
Stop, not goad.
What? It sounds so right.
It sounds emotionally right, but grammatically wrong. Say went.
Fine. I went to the cinema.
Perfect.
Really?
Yes, you survived step 1. Okay, next. What did you see?
I see Batman.
Present tense again.
Sorry, I seed Batman.
Stop! That's not a thing.
Then what is it?
You saw Batman.
Right. I saw Batman.
Good. And how was it?
It is very good.
It was very good.
I knew that. I just wanted to test you.
Sure, you did. So, Ben, what did we learn?
That grammar is pain?
No, that you just need 3 magic words for weekends. Went, saw, was. Say them.
Went, saw, was.
Again.
Went, saw, was.
Good. Now you can talk about your weekend.
Yes, I went, I saw, I was alive.
Close enough. Now, let's move to your daily life.
You mean the boring part?
Exactly. What do you do every day?
Every day I wake up late, I drink coffee, and I cry.
You cry?
Just a little. Then I go to work and check emails and cry again.
Okay, that's too much realism. Let's fix your verbs first. I wake up. I drink. I go. I check. Present tense. Simple.
Simple. That's what they said about calculus.
Then, say it again. Slowly.
I wake up. I drink coffee. I go to work. I check emails.
Perfect. See? Present tense is just routine.
Yeah, but my routine is emotionally complex.
Okay, Mr. Emotionally Complex. Let's talk about the future.
No, not the future.
Yes, holidays are coming. What are your plans?
I go To Japan.
You go every holiday?
No, next month I will go to Japan.
Okay, will works. But for plans, we usually say, I'm going to go to Japan.
That's too long.
Then say, I'm visiting Japan.
Short and beautiful.
Exactly.
So, present, past, future. I think I got it.
Good. Let's test you.
Oh, no.
Elevator round 2. The doors close. The CEO smiles. Hi, Ben. Nice to see you. What did you do last weekend?
I went to the cinema. I saw Batman. It was fantastic.
Nice. And what are your plans for the holiday?
I'm going to visit Japan.
Perfect. You did it.
Wait, is he smiling?
Yes, you're fine.
He's pressing the emergency stop.
No, Ben.
He's asking me to teach him English.
You're hired. So, let's review for everyone listening. Past tense, I went, I saw, I was. Present tense, I go, I drink, I check. Future tense, I will go, I'm going to go, I'm visiting. Say them with us.
I went, I saw, I was.
I go, I drink, I check.
I will go, I'm going to go, I'm visiting.
Perfect. Now your turn, listener. Pause the podcast and say out loud, what did you do last weekend? What do you do every day? And what are you going to do for your next holiday?
We'll wait. Just kidding. But seriously, pause and say it.
Because the more you speak,
The less you panic.
and the more confident you become.
Thank you for listening to English with Ben and Emma.
We'll see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.